Happy International Women's Day, everybody. Big up to all of the women there. First thing, big up to my mother. Yes, big up to my mother. She is the number one original top goodest mother out there, and I know she's the strongest woman I ever met. If you think your mother is the strongest woman you ever met, fine by me. But me not say man at the top. Yeah. Big up she. Big up to my sister-in-law, them, my niece, them, cause them are some little up and coming woman. Big up to my auntie, them, we sick up and feel better and them something there. So International Women's Day, I want to talk about some things that you probably know if you're a Caribbean woman or if you're friends with Caribbean women, primarily Jamaican women, because things might be different in a Trinidad and Tobago and in a St. Kitts and them something. If you're a Caribbean woman in my age group, you probably have an auntie named Pam, Dawn, maybe Faith, Hope, Yvonne, Audrey, or something like Paulette. Because them name they are wear up in an auntie category. If you're a Caribbean woman of my age, you have a friend named Kim, Keisha, Lisa, Jody, something that end in Isha or Ita or Ira, like Nakisha, Nakita, Shakira. If you're having baby right now, then and Janelle or Jonelle. If you're having baby right now, then you're probably going to be naming the baby something that is more European sounding, like Brittany or Leah, or you're going to give your child a name with 15 syllables and call it African, or Keisha, because that name never seemed to dead. Keisha, that name coming like styrofoam. It cannot disappear. Pick up to all of my girl them with name Keisha. Yeah, you have the original name. Or it is, you're going to name your baby something like Beyonce or Solange. Let's not talk about it. You are probably taught by a woman named Miss Brown, or Miss Green, or Miss Gray. I don't know the color name them big in a teacher line. Or Miss Thompson, Miss Jackson, Miss Johnson. And when you talk to her, you just call her Miss. Regardless of what her last name is or where she married, you just call her Miss because that is what her name is. If you're a Caribbean woman, then the first dance that you probably learn how to do was either some type of whining or some jigging up of your bottom. And you were doing this when you were like 1 year old or a year and a half in the nappy. Not the diaper, in the nappy. You know the one where your mother have to scrub it out and put it on the line for dry? In the nappy. And regardless of how it look, them did proud of you. They did proud of you because you learn how to use your waistline. And if people did come and tell them that it was improper for you to be dancing that way, then would I tell you about African retention, or which Asian dance them learn how to do, or which Indian dance. But the truth of the matter is that the people realize that you are living in Jamaica. And if you cannot whine, you are going to be single for a very long time. So from them time there, your parents was training you how to go out there and date. If you are a Caribbean woman, there's a picture of your mother or whichever woman was responsible for raising you. It's probably black and white. She's wearing a belly skin and a Bella's pants. The pants come up like over her navel. She's hotter than you could ever hope to be, because the woman them that is behind us, that age group, them is the original gooders. I don't know if it's the type of clothes that them used to wear, but them never used to look like normal people. She's standing by a tree and she's holding on to one of the leaf them, so like gently the leaf are resting on her, and she's looking at the camera and smiling. If you're a Caribbean woman, there is a picture of you in your house. You are wearing a floral dress and you are holding on to a plant like this. And you are smiling at the camera and fondling the leaf. Because this is what Caribbean people do when we want to take pretty picture. We go outside and we find plant and bush and we fungle them and take picture with the leaf. I don't know what it means. I honestly do not know what it means. If you're a Caribbean woman, there's a picture of you in your house bathing in a bath pan and you are naked. You are naked and you're a child. And your mother or whoever is responsible for meeting the people who want to there with you, hide in this picture. And the second that you find somebody who you think you're serious about, them are going to carry up that picture. You have to show it to them. And the way that you will mark if you want to there with this somebody for a good long time is if them laugh just long enough to ease your embarrassment about them seeing this picture, but not too long for you eat them and remember, say, them will laugh after you. I'm going to tell you 3 more things, and these things are coming out of the Caribbean Mothering Manual. Me and my friend Regina discuss it. I'm going to do another vlog on it because it needs to be discussed. You see, if a Caribbean somebody raise you, you have a different type of raising from other people. Because Caribbean people can do things other people can't do, such as throwing things around corner. When it is a big target like me, and I'm running in a straight line because I'm a idiot and I don't know I must run and like do so, then we can't understand if you can fling things around the corner and it might get lucky and let me. But when my brother weighs 70 pounds now, and him fast, and him a running a zigzag because he knows he's supposed to run a zigzag, and my grandmother take up a pebble and fling it around the corner and it clap him. Oh, yeah, explain that. No, you have people in a Major League Baseball, we can't do that. Caribbean mama alone can do something, and Caribbean granny. If you're a Caribbean mother, you laugh at people who leash their children. And I'm not saying anything against the leash, you know. Some of the children, them wild and coming like a orangutan, and you need to leash them. But if you're a Caribbean mother, you know that this is how you leash your children. You say the child name. The child turn around and the child come back because the child know that if they don't come back, when they do come back, it's couple clap them coming back into. Yes, corporal punishment, people, look into it. It still has its place. If you're a Caribbean mother, you have taken a 1 week seminar on how to pinch children. How to pinch them. How to pinch them, when to pinch them, where to pinch them, and how to pinch them without leaving mark. You know that there is a soft place. Yeah, yes, there is a soft place right here on the child. That no, I'm trying to tell me about the place, you know. Wait, no matter how the child marga, you do so. And you wring it out. Sometimes you just take with the skin with it too. Yeah, and the child will shut up. You see normal people we come from other places. When you pinch them jump and scream and make all up a night. You see Caribbean people when you squeeze, when you pinch them shut up their mouth and stand up straight and prepare for meet somebody because all that means is that your mother is introducing you to pastor. You wasn't paying attention because you was looking at football game, hot dog vendor, man where I sell popcorn and them something there and you was about to embarrass your mother so you get the hot pinch. 1 week manual and pinching. If you is a Caribbean woman, you understand these things. No, I don't know those things yet because I don't have children yet and they don't teach you those things until you're pregnant. Somebody take your side. But yeah, me not meet up on the receiving end of them something. So big up to all of the Caribbean women them. Big up to everybody who is loving the Caribbean women them and supporting them. Um, yeah, love the woman them and take care of them. Make work so we can make a better environment. So woman can stop poor and woman can stop get raped and all of them type of something. I could try balance out the system so woman can be happy and we can succeed and everybody can like move forward together. Yeah? Happy International Women's Day. Big up, bless up, one love, Caribbean power, CARICOM, Ray, all them someday. Yeah. Well good.